Night Show with Jojo A. Featuring tonight, Dr. Arlie Imperio and Rudy Sanchez. It's Jojo A. Alright. Thank you very much. Welcome back to the show. Friends, our guests this evening will teach you how to make your dreams come true. They will delve into your mind, make it stronger, make it think more effectively for you to have a better life. Please welcome on the show Dr. Arlie Imperio and Mr. Rudy Sanchez. Doc, Rudy. Okay, for the audience purposes lang, baka ma-mix-match kayo. So, of course, your doc, Dr. Arlie Imperio, and Rudy Sanchez. So, good evening, gentlemen. Welcome to the show. Thank you very much for making time.
Yes, good evening, and it's so great to be here with you, to see you in person.
Oh, it's doubly my pleasure. In fact, I was talking to Kenneth, nung pinag-uusapan namin yan before, long overdue na ito, Doc. I've been wanting to guest you because I'm very interested in these things. I always tell our viewers that everything starts within between your ears, and if you need to be positive, all you need to do is just enhance that. But hanggang dun lang ako. But you guys really are in the business of teaching and giving out techniques precisely for this, no?
Yes, that's very true because there is a science that is involved in achievement. So we may call it the science of achievement. However, oftentimes, many do not know how it's done. Others who have succeeded, they have attained it consciously or unconsciously. Now, in the seminar, we will teach them how to do it consciously. There's a way on how to do it.
Para hindi na yung iisipin pala, paano ko ba, how do I become richer? How do I become happier? Diba? Ganon. This time, ituturo nyo na yung techniques.
Oo, ganito yan eh. Kasi mga mind technologies ito.
Right.
So, we can use the mind to become successful. Ang problema kasi ng tao, usually, meron tayong yung poverty consciousness o kaya loser consciousness na kailangan mabura.
Defeatist attitude.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Kaya kailangan mabura yan sa subconscious. Hindi mo alam, it's overpowering you. Na even though you are qualified to do something, but you cannot step forward because mahina ang loob mo. So the first obstacle is within a person.
So the first, let's do it step by step, if you will, no? So dapat yan, the change should come from within.
That's right.
Now, who unlocks that? Me or so I definitely would need the techniques that you would teach, correct?
Kailangan kasi magsisimula. Ikaw, you must have the desire to change yourself.
Okay.
Kasi that will be yung parang the fuel to start off by doing something in order to effect the transformation within.
For example, Napoleon Hill, one of those who knows about the science, and one who has been known as the kingmaker of millionaires, in his famous book, Think and Grow Rich, he said, and he became famous for this, whatsoever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve, unquote.
It can achieve,
now,
right.
In the seminar,
very famous yun, Doc,
yes, in the seminar we'll teach them
Right,
the 7 ways on how to do it.
7 ways.
And
so
we
there's
know
7 ways. Do you call that techniques?
yes,
No?
yes.
Okay.
And what is important is that we have what you call exoteric knowledge and esoteric knowledge.
Okay,
Exo means it's public knowledge.
Right.
But esoteric knowledge is something that's confidential, private, you may call it secret. Like in business, there are proper ways on how to, let's say, build a business. But business people, they have what you call trade secrets, which is not openly discussed.
Okay.
So it's the same with the science of achievement. Now, for one to learn these techniques, he has to pay for it.
Right.
And it's very expensive. But we would like to help the common Filipino. That's why NGOs have banded together to make this knowledge easily available to the Filipino. That's our goal. So all they need to do to pay for it is to come, to call up, get themselves registered, and it's free. But actually, it's not free because somebody paid for it. But what we would like to emphasize is that we would like to have every Filipino especially the ordinary Filipino, to get a hold of this knowledge. And it will be a gift that he can hold on for life. There are 7 methods.
Which
7 methods.
we are not going to discuss tonight, no?
We
Kasi
can
that
have
that
some-
will be preemptive of the...
Yes, we have some
of the
ideas,
seminar.
but for example, just give an idea.
Oh.
One of the powerful techniques is how to strengthen and expand your aura. So, aura seems to be common, but how to do it, there are secret methods on how to do it. You see, when a celebrity comes, you say star celebrity. That's why we say star or celebrity star, because the aura emanates like a star
right.
coming from them, and it becomes magnetic, and people around them
So,
are
yung
magnetized
isang-
or spellbounded.
Doc, yung ganyan ba, Rudy? Yung like, for instance, we're in the talk of talking about stars, no? Now, meron sinasabi ng there are stars that are made, and there are stars that just plainly have it, or the X factor, no? So, what I'm trying to drive at is, eto, kahit hindi ako star, if you go there, you will be able to enhance that in those who will be attending the seminars. Is that
Correct.
correct?
One can have it innately.
Wow.
However, one can develop it consciously. There's a technique on how to do it.
Kailangan lang kasi yung tao will perform the techniques to be able to effect it in himself. Kasi 'di ba, yung isang tao successful, yung isang tao hindi successful. The difference is aura. And this aura can be expanded, can be improved upon. And this is an aura of a successful. Kaya mga successful businessmen, aura yan eh. Oh, successful actors, actresses. Aura yan ang labanan. So, we can actually develop this, we call this an energy body. Inexhaustible. It's already
So
scientific.
these things are are developmental, if you will, no?
That's true.
Some may not have it, some may have it not in abundance, but if you attend this seminar, you'll be able to enhance it through the techniques you're going to be teaching.
That's true.
Now, there are 7. I'm very interested kasi kanina, friends, to be very candid with you. Nag-uusap kami nila Doc at saka ni Rudy. Sabi niya, huwag na muna natin discuss yung 7 techniques kasi maubos yung oras natin, no? Pero on the whole, I'm very particular about yung how itong 7 techniques na to, how did it come about? Is this an old parang technique of sorts or way back that was given to us by certain aliens or maybe something that we have gotten from...
Actually, you may call it when you like to achieve something. There is always a certain way on how things are done. You may call it the law of cause and effect. You may call it the secrets of success. It comes from nature. It is direct. It is inbuilt. Now, in these 7 methods, everything has been consolidated. So it saves the person time and effort. And once you get the 7 techniques, you can do your own personal research and study the other details of the technique. Like for example, we mentioned already aura. It's common knowledge that is very important. But exactly like what Rudy said, how to do it, there are secret methods. It's secret in the sense that it is only for those who qualify. And the qualification is just for you to come to the seminar.
Ay, maganda yan. We'll just support you back more of the techniques and the things that you will be learning if you attend the seminar still with our very good friend Doc and Rudy. Stay with us in the Medyo Late Night Show. Welcome back to the program. Still our very good friends, Rudy and Doc Imperio. Doc and Rudy, ito, kanina yung aking introduction is, these gentlemen will make your dreams come true. Now, how does one really make their dreams come true? Talaga, I'd like to hear it from the experts, from the mind experts.
Okay, let me start. I cannot do it for them.
Okay.
So they will have to do it. So we talk about the transfer of technology, the techniques to perform, and they will perform it so that they can attain their dreams. So somehow, it is a way of strengthening the willpower. It's also a way of increasing the power of concentration. It's also a way of increasing or expanding your aura. And all these ingredients sum up towards attaining your goals or being closer and closer towards achieving your goals. Yes,
Doc,
yes.
ikaw naman, from your...
Me, what works well is to make a clear mental picture about what you want. Then when you look at the picture, you feel happy about it, you become one with the picture, and there is no difference about its completion. It is already done and created in your mind. Now, when to reach that level of, let's say, attunement or feeling that it's already done, there are many techniques on how to do it.
Right,
Because it's not easy to say that you feel that you have done it. Because when you want something, there is something within you that tells you cannot do it. Obstacles may be the focus of your
Sabi ng
attention.
bulong-bulong ng demonyo.
Yes.
Hindi kaya, blah, blah,
There
blah,
is. It's
ganyan.
inbuilt.
Right,
Now,
right. Oh.
to make a clear mental picture is easily said, but it's not easily done. How to do it will be taught in the seminar. Now, you will enjoy the seminar because when you do techniques, you will start feeling good. Now, after doing that technique, there is no difference. You know it's already done. It's in the bag. It's just waiting for the manifestation as it was created in the mind. It will now be created in your life. How to exactly do it
beautiful.
is in the seminar.
Maganda yun. Sinabi mo yun, Doc. If it's created in your mind, then it will be created and manifested in your life. So tama na rin sinabi ko kanina. Everything starts between your ears. No? If you
That's
think it,
true.
it will be.
Yes.
Diba? You just need people like Doc Imperio and Rudy Sanchez to remind you all the time and give you constantly and then give you some pointers on how to harness it. Okay, Doc Imperio and Rudy, please invite them to your seminar upcoming.
Yes, the seminar is October 23. That is on a Sunday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon to 5 o'clock. It will be done in Manufacturers Building at Santa Cruz Plaza, Manila. This is just in front of Santa Cruz Church. Now, all you need to do to qualify to learn the 7 methods, the 7 secrets, is to call up and get registered. And may I mention the telephone numbers?
By all means.
It's 430-9332. I will repeat, it's 430-9332, or you can text this number, 0949-331-6232. I will repeat, 0949-331-6232.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes.
In case you're not you cannot come but you're interested, try to also text us so we can inform you for our upcoming seminars
All right,
in the
thank you.
future.
Thank you very much. Rudy Sanchez and Doc Arlie Imperio, maraming salamat sa inyo, gentlemen. Mabuhay po kayo. And, all right, again, just go to the seminars and everything starts from the man in the mirror. Nagsisimula yan with your intention to change. So make the change. You start from the very man in the mirror. Kayo po yun. All right, thank you very much. That's all the show we have tonight. Many thanks for watching. Thank you, of course, to Rudy and Arlie, to that beautiful song, Lloyd Mara, Momentarily. I always leave you with this note. Always do everything, friends, for the greater glory of God and for the service of man. Always love and always laugh. This has been the Medyo Late Night Show, and I'm Jojo A. See you later. Bye-bye.